ClickFunnels is a marketing automation tool that provides business owners with a platform to attract, develop, and convert leads. In other words, it covers every part of the sales funnel. The ClickFunnels marketplace hosts over 1,500 free and paid templates that have everything from rare customization framework to highly targeted options for very specific industries. Almost all funnels are complete solutions from landing page to point of sale and contain targeted, distraction-free marketing designed to get your customers moving towards the solution you want, which can be anything from collecting their information for a subscription list to make a sale. Many free funnels are highly professional products, so don't worry about hidden costs. Templates can also be customized. In the ClickFunnels editor, you can create a new funnel from scratch or make changes to a pre-created funnel. You will be prompted to answer a few questions, and then you can drag and drop items and create new ones using a simple WYSIWYG editor. ClickFunnels makes it easy to see how the funnel works after launch. At the top of the data page is how much money you make per click, how much people spend on their cards on average, and how much money their sales funnel has brought you in general. You can also see how many views each of your pages got and apply filters. For example, if you want to see how many people went to your landing page on a mobile device. This page is also your home for A/B testing, which allows you to directly compare sequences to determine which works best. ClickFunnels doesn't have its own payment processor, so you'll have to go to a third-party provider. They personally recommend Stripe, but you can also use PayPal, Apple Pay, or one of several other supported API integrations. An affiliate program is an additional way for ClickFunnels users to monetize their sales funnels by earning commissions directly from ClickFunnels itself. Basically, if you include a link anywhere in your marketing for a ClickFunnels product, you get a percentage if that link encourages someone to buy. If you're building a sales funnel, you can also use it as an affiliate link, which explains why the funnel library remains so reliable. You can also use the newly integrated backpack feature to create your own affiliate system and advertise your services just like ClickFunnels does. Subscriber technical support is mainly provided via live chat from Monday to Friday during business hours. You will be prompted to read the articles from their knowledge base first, but you can talk to an expert directly if they don't answer your question. And you can also sign up for a premium subscription to get priority in that queue. However, ClickFunnels makes it very clear that the support specialists are not ready to help you with your sales strategy. This is just technical support. You can also find answers on the ClickFunnels subscriber forum. And the last feature worth noting is Funnel Fix, a series of videos that show you how to get the most out of ClickFunnels, with an additional content available for higher tier subscriptions. ClickFunnels operates on a simple assumption. Successful marketing is achieved through the clearest and most rational information about your attention. This service can be best described as always closing for the internet age. From the moment your customer steps into the showroom floor, you greet them, ask about yourself, tell them how they can get out of the parking lot, and clarify how easy it will be to get to that point. The sales funnels that ClickFunnels creates are subtle and targeted. Based on the assumption that distractions drive potential customers away from the sales, funnels include as few distractions as possible. Funnels are built from landing pages, squeeze pages, and shopping carts. Customers should never have to think about how to get to the next stage, just whether they are worth the investment in the decision. ClickFunnels targeted templates help you increase the potential of each visitor with options to increase and decrease sales, as well as offer pop-ups, countdowns, and more. Most ClickFunnels subscribers don't sell cars, although the resemblance to dealer work might explain why they chose to buy their dream car as a reward for top partners. Instead, all of the funnel templates available focus on one of three overarching goals: gathering information for your mailing lists, selling your products, or posting butts for your next event. In the simplest way of building a funnel from ClickFunnels, all you have to do is select one of these three, add a tag for what type of funnel you want, and go through the list of templates to create. Once you have selected, all you need to do is make any changes to the page elements and complete the launch checklist. This includes setting up the integration, domain name, and maintaining consistency. And then you're ready to go. If you don't already know what type of funnel you want to use, check out the Funnel Cookbook, which allows you to choose a type based on your industry and goals. So many people make so many great funnels available, most for free, that no matter how specific your needs are, there is sure to be something geared towards you. The page editor deserves a mention as its drag and drop interface is intuitive. All page elements can be edited by clicking on them, and the sidebar options are organized with simple efficiency. Elements can also take on many useful forms, from text panels and images to interactive widgets. This isn't particularly important as it is designed for users with no coding experience, but given ClickFunnels' distraction-free aesthetic, it makes sense to keep it that simple. Enough people have reported the success of their marketing strategies, so the question of whether ClickFunnels is increasing revenue remains closed. The bottom line is that any targeted marketing strategy developed by experts will pay off. The main ClickFunnels product combines ease of use with extreme flexibility to satisfy both novice and experienced marketers. It has never been easier to run a full funnel in less than half an hour of work, and if your funnel isn't paying dividends, it's also easy to change. The shopping cart is a cornerstone that no sales funnel can do without. It doesn't matter how perfect your landing page is or how compelling your condensed page can be. If your customers get bogged down in a quagmire when they try to give you their money, information, or time, you lose it. Because of this, it lacks some of the features you would expect from a dedicated shopping cart app, such as flexible customization, support for international shopping, or the ability to place a cart on a website not created by ClickFunnels. However, for a shopping cart in a sales funnel maker, which is not typical for ClickFunnels competitors, there is a lot going on in this cart. Multiple quantities of items, abandoned cart notifications, a shipping calculator, and the ability to add buttons to other parts of your funnel. The ClickFunnels Knowledge Center tries to educate users that the payment processor they choose is responsible for all financial security, so make sure you choose the one you trust to save your customers money. For its part, ClickFunnels does not collect any payment information for itself, so there is no need to worry that this is all some kind of a scheme. Actionetics is a technically separate app available with a premium ClickFunnels subscription that combines email list management with sales funnels. In theory, this is a good idea. Collecting information via email is one of the three main goals of this platform's sales funnels, so it's nice to have something you can do with it when you have it. However, this leads to a problem very similar to what happens with shopping carts. Since ClickFunnels also supports integration with dedicated mailing list managers like MailChimp, Actionetics needs to be better than top-tier standalone apps to justify its use. And since emails are not part of the sales funnel, you don't have to worry about creating a tipping point where customers might resist switching to another app. Without it, binding the ClickFunnels is more of a detriment than an advantage to Actionetics. Simply put, it's not a premium offering. It's great that you don't have to pay extra when you dial a certain number of contacts, as you do with most autoresponders, but when you're already paying $297 a month, you basically need a huge list or you're losing money. Likewise, features like automatic list segmentation and chaining are good, but they don't require an additional $200. If your business scales to the point where paying for thousands of contacts becomes a problem, you can always upgrade to Actionetics later. Another thing to know about ClickFunnels and affiliates is Backpack. Backpack is the third app in the full suite, which includes ClickFunnels and Actionetics. The other side of the affiliate commission program coin, Backpack is an app for managing your own affiliate program. You can use the same trick as ClickFunnels to drive traffic to your landing pages. Like the rest of ClickFunnels, Backpack has a user-friendly interface. From a single dashboard, you can see how many affiliates you've registered, what sales they've brought you, the commissions they've charged, and the invoices you've paid. It's easy to master creating a commission plan, tracking payments, and keep track of which of your affiliate programs matches with sales funnel. Funnelflix is an interesting addition to ClickFunnels' knowledge base. Going beyond traditional tech support, this is Netflix for marketers, offering a wealth of educational materials on how to improve your marketing game. Many videos are available in the basic package, but some are only available in the premium plans. ClickFunnels offers two main pricing tiers. Before we list what each one gives you, it's worth noting that you can get a free trial on ClickFunnels to try out before purchasing. To get a free 14-day trial, register your account and try out their software before you decide to buy. The starter subscription costs $97 per month. The full suite subscription costs $297 per month. ClickFunnels also offers a service package called Funnel Hacks, which costs $997 for 6 months or $1,997 for a full year. In addition to effectively halving the price of your annual full suite subscription, Funnel Hacks includes a 6-week funnel building workshop and multiple sales scenarios and funnels to get you started.